Namaste everyone. It's a privilege to inform you. Today we published our paper in International Journal of Science and Research. The topic is effect of cyclic meditation on sleep quality, psychological well-being and quality of life among working professionals during lockdown period. Author myself Manjeesh and co-author Dr. Suma. It's a volume 10, issue 8. We published on August 2021, pages 169 to 173. As explained in the subject, as an introduction, is a sleep quality, psychological well-being, and quality of life during the COVID-19 or pandemic. It was enforced them to isolate themselves or stay at home during the lockdown period. It's some of entering public spots were carefully denied and just in a certain exemption permitted. According to many researchers, happened during this pandemic clearly shown that working professionals are facing health issues such as anxiety, depression, and insomnia during COVID-19. Also, a couple of international reports are published. Working professions are undergone through many psychological health issues such as depression, breathing issues, lack of concentration, and memory issues during COVID. Effect of cyclic meditation, sleep quality, psychological quality of life. It says there is an abundance of proof indicates that outside is related to wide-going positive results as far as psychological wellness and prosperities are concerned. As for the studies, practicing cyclic meditation appear to increase slow wave sleep and lower the percentage of time in rapid high moment sleep. Cyclic meditation can help to adopt to lifestyles among working professionals. This study also supports and promotes meditation as one way to improve sleep quality of life, and overall well-being. We also reviewed a couple of ancient literatures. We pulled one Bhagavad Gita. So in the Bhagavad Gita, at the 6th chapter, 16 sloka says, or 16th verse, it says, which Krishna says to Arjuna, there is no possibility of once becoming a yogi. Oh Arjuna, if one eats too much or eats too little, sleeps too much or does not sleep enough, which means when the person is regulating their normal, daily activities, it cannot be performed in a daily activities. So the similar way, we also refer Patanjali Yoga Sutra. It's ancient literature. It says, internal and external cleanliness being established arises, disgust for one's own body and non-intercourse with other bodies. When there is a real purification of the body, external and internal, arises neglect of the body, and all these ideas keeping it nice will vanish. This is what it says in a Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Also, meantime, we also reviewed in a couple of scientific literatures, and scientific literatures also, it's a tremendous changes from the cyclic meditation. Okay, it's couple more papers also we referred. The aim and objective of our research was to assess the impact of cyclic meditation practice on sleep quality, psychological well-being, quality of life among working professionals during the lockdown period. Objectives were to evaluate sleep quality, psychological well-being, and quality of life, also to evaluate stress, anxiety, and depression among all working professionals during a lockdown period. So method we used where we took a control and intervention group. Each participant were age group of 20 to 60, and we gathered two groups, one intervention group and 30 and control group were 30. So there were inclusions and inclusions were included. Also, we took designed the group in such a way that everyone can understand this, the communication, all those things. And so as an intervention group, there are a couple of the methodologies we used, model we used were opening prayer, relaxation techniques like IRT, instant relaxation technique, quick relaxation technique, and deep relaxation technique were included. As a stimulation practices, standing asanas, sitting asanas, and supine and asanas we introduced in this one. And as assessment tools, we use sleep regulation, sleep quality, DASS21, Center of Epidemiologic Studies Depression Scale, which we use to assess the changes before and after the results. Before the start of the session and after completion of our classes, which means after 21 days. The tables are shown as the results. Here, sleep quality where there are two tables. We can see the cyclic meditation and control group before and after. There was a tremendous changes in cyclic meditation, where in cyclic meditation group before score statistically significant, then after intervention on cyclic meditation. The same way, control group before score significantly not significant than after the score. You can see it in the chart. The similar way, stress as well, there is a significant change in both the criteria, like controlled and cyclic meditation group, but not as cyclic meditation significant in control group. So when in anxiety, the cyclic meditation group before score satisfactorily significant than the after intervention of cyclic meditation, control group before score significantly significant, statistically significant than the after score, but percentage than the intervention group not much significant. So the same way, the depression also, score cyclic meditation group before scores statistically significant than after the intervention of cyclic meditation, wherein control group before score statistically significant than the after score, but percentage change wherein between the cyclic meditation control and control group were not much significant. So also this depression scale DS, we did it at the same, we there's a changes are when we check the percentage change between the groups. It's like cyclic meditation group is much better than the control group, wherein the lockdown was slowly releasing during that time. Our research was ended. So this is differences or cyclic meditation versus control group percentage changes, where we can easily assess what are the changes. There is a significant change in both cyclic meditation group and control group. However, we can see the percentage difference between cyclic meditation group and control group here. The discussions took place before the intervention. The results shown that control group and better sleep quality and psychological well-being than the experimental or the test group. There was an increase in the sleep quality, psychological well-being, and quality of life of the working professional in both the groups. However, post-cycle meditation therapy and better sleep quality, psychological well-being, and quality of life test groups increases drastically as compared with the participant in the control group. The correlation shown, cyclic meditation is positively correlated with the sleep quality, psychological well-being, and quality of life. The conclusion where the percentage study shown that need a cyclic meditation intervention among the So working professionals to have a better sleep quality, better sleep quality of life, and psychological well-being. Though the study didn't show the significant increase in the variables, there is a better percentage change between the groups in all variables. The percentage study shows a need for further research in these areas. Therefore, further larger studies with well-controlled clinical settings and various preparations are suggested. The strengths are the short-term intervention had percentage change in stress quality, sleep quality, reduction in stress level, depression, anxiety, and improvement in quality of life, which are not noteworthy for future of the study. Limitations of study is based on 60 participants. There is a need of increase in the sample size for getting the better results. The scope of this study would be the studies was helping to researcher to take the cyclic meditation as intervention for further research. It is necessary to continue the study to obtain better results. The study result use a large sample size, a large period of time. Namaste. Thank you, everyone. Manjeesh and Suma. Thank you.